Hi, I'm Laura from Exocad. In this video I share with you my highlights of Chairside CAD 3.1 Rijeka. The new release goes with many new features and improvements, all focused to get the perfect design easily and in only a few clicks. See how you can benefit from high automation while maintaining full flexibility in your hardware and workflow choices. Get connected with your trusted partners and combine it with DentalCAD or Exoplan. There's so much to see, so let's get to it! We improved case management with guided workflows and new 3D scan previews in the lower left-hand side of the DentalDB. 3.1 Rijeka automatically uses the margin and insertion direction from the imported scan info file. The tooth placement step starts directly with a pretty good first draft. Now you can freeform individual sections and move and modify small details or regions, or flatten the occlusal surface using a slider. The occlusion will be adapted immediately to the antagonist either by selecting Morph or Cut Anatomy. If you want to add natural abrasion facets to the design, the dynamic movements are already taken into account. It is that easy to complete the design. Minimum thickness options. If necessary, you can adjust the minimum thickness from within the wizard window. Here you can choose between respect normally, cut locally to antagonist adjacent, or reduce everywhere to the manufacturer minimum or even below if he allows it. Library overview. If you want to change the tooth library, explore this wonderful overview with occlusal and vestibular previews. This helps you to choose the most suitable option. Improved freeforming. We enhanced the Freeform tab. The Adapt feature, for example, is now right next to the Smooth Flatten feature, and you can cut all intersections with one click. You can also highlight the affected area. Here, the green marking indicates the area that will be affected. This way, you know exactly what to expect from the chosen tool, even before you use it. Highly automated pre-op. If a pre-op scan on a single unit is available, we can proceed right away with the automatically generated anatomy. And after making some final adjustments, we've already finished this case. In-CAD I/O camera support for iTero. The integration of 2D and NIRI images from iTero offers great advantages such as the color and translucency of adjacent areas and dies. Please have a look at the related video tutorial. There we show in detail how you can draw in the margin line on 2D images, which is a great help especially for complex preparation types. Overlay. Speaking of complex preparation types like 3/4 and other complex non-convex preparations, we have added the new reconstruction type overlay. This is made for exactly these cases. That way you benefit from a better initial proposal and improved adaptation to preserve the designed tooth shape. To support communication and collaboration, we implemented a new screenshot and image management tool for you. With this tool, you can capture the main view at 4 times the resolution of your screen or capture an area manually. You can also load, organize and edit the images in an application of your choice. With one click on Save All Images, you will find them inside your project folder ready to upload via DentalShare. Tooth extraction. You can extract any existing tooth virtually from your scan data and precisely control the collapse of the gingiva with a slider. Auto Articulator Pro. We have great new features in the field of functionality. Like you can see here, the movements will be calculated automatically for you. With the brand new Exoskull Articulator, you can handle dynamic occlusion with ease on any type of restoration. The fully programmable Artix CR Adjustable offers the possibility to also create night guards, as well as anatomical bite splints with tooth-shaped surfaces. Finally, the ability to import jaw motion data from multiple providers opens up a whole new universe of possibilities. We love the Smile Creator experience and enhanced it further. Now we can see dissections visualized in green that will be affected with our selected freeform tool. A new 2D color scale is available. Here you can easily find the right base and highlight color, as well as the color shade that matches both your desired outcome and the patient photo. Split screen previous new visualization. If you like to toggle between the before and after view, you can make use of a new slider. We implemented a new Smile Creator report to support your communication and documentation. Now you can individualize the orientation and size and choose between light or dark color themes. You can feel free to individualize the content. After that, the report will be automatically saved to the project folder. You can also export or print directly from the wizard and then proceed by clicking Done. Import face scans. Smile Creator can also now import 3D face scans. Ask your system integrator to enable this better feature for you. A new Smile window is now available throughout the CAD workflow to enable an additional view of the current design within the patient photo. You can place it independently from the main CAD window, which is ideal on your multi-monitor setup. Now you can benefit from the in-phase visualization while using all of Exocad's advanced tools like chain mode tooth placement and instant anatomic morphing. 3.1 Rijeka saves the tooth setup automatically and makes them available for further designs. Now you can use the same tooth setup for multiple designs along the patient journey. For example, with a mockup, a clip-on, and a temporary or final restoration. Simply change the indication from mockup to anatomic crown. Save the new project and start the design. Now you can save lots of time by reusing jobs you have already designed. On stock abutment. Additionally, it's now possible to design implant-based restorations on stock abutments. You can rotate the abutment to select the ideal position and proceed without the need to define a margin or screw channel. A great benefit also for the immediate load workflow. Exoplan integration. The integration to Exoplan is now more convenient. You can use one common DentalDB database and see the Exoplan icon to start your 3D implant planning right away. DICOM Incognito mode. The privacy of your patient's sensitive data is important for us. Therefore, we implemented an incognito mode to blur, for example, the patient's name inside the DICOM viewer. Model Creator Quick Models. To prepare your intraoral scans for 3D printing, the Model Creator comes into play. With just a few clicks, the wizard automatically creates the upper jaw including the dives, then the antagonist, and finally the attachments for you. This workflow also works great on cases that include implants. Again, we see the automatically generated model workflow creating the upper and lower jaw with minimal interaction from our side. Of course, design, options and parameters can still be customized via the expert mode. Explanatory animated figures. We greatly improved the usability for you with easy to understand animations when you hover with the mouse over a parameter. This is a fun way to learn more about all these powerful options the Model Creator offers you. We added several new attachments. The iTero articulator, for example, snaps on the model with a single click, and then the connectors automatically adjust to the model where you need them. Easy and convenient. I hope you enjoyed this video and can't wait to try out Chairside CAD Rijeka. If you want to find out more, also visit us on our webpage or check out our channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon!